Struggling to find the right infringement matches? ClaimHit starts by focusing the search where the signal is strongest. Start with a patent number, then let the platform surface products and standards from live web evidence in a fast, structured workflow. Use search hints to guide the AI toward what you actually need, whether that is a product type, technology, or a specific use case. Those hints refine the analysis instantly, helping multiple models narrow the field before legal review adds another layer of reliability. Need sharper screening? Add targeted companies to investigate specific players and cut down the noise in your results. Use search hints and targeted companies to get more precise infringement insights in seconds. Visit ClaimHit.com.